Hello and welcome back to HUAWEI Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook Messenger on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Let's begin. So, first let's try to open AppGallery. Then let's try to search for Messenger here. But I almost know how to type, sorry about that. Let's hit search. And we do have something, but you will notice that something is off. It doesn't have a normal Messenger icon and it's not install, it's a get. Worry not, this is how it's supposed to be. Whenever we click on it, we'll also get a disclaimer that will be downloading it from the third-party website, not the AppGallery. This is also completely fine. Let's hit OK, and as you can see, we are now in an application called AppParks, which is a nice site for downloading apps, otherwise pirating the app. But who cares about that? Let's simply hit download latest version, and let's hit, hold on, the name is pretty off, but who cares? Let's hit download, and we are downloading something. You want to be extra careful with what are you downloading here. As you can see, I did download Messenger, but if you had any kind of ads here, then there is a high chance that you have accidentally downloaded an ad and you are now downloading malware. So yeah, you want to be very careful about that. Now we want to allow browser to install the application, we want to hit install, and now our application is installing. Of course, if you do not feel comfortable with like pirating basically the applications, you have a problem and you shouldn't have bought HUAWEI. Basically, like there is no way of really preventing that from happening, sorry. So now we can hit done, and if we go back, we will see that now we have new, shiny and cool Messenger icon. So we can click on it, and now we can use the Messenger like we would on any other application. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.